I'm standing in Alwynedal, one of the areas affected by the devastating blazes last night in Mossel Bay. The wind has picked up and some of the fires is also getting worse at this stage. But with me is Chantal James and Zetty Jonker from the Zetty Jonker Hulp Centre for Children with Special Needs. Chantal, just tell us about your experience last night, about the fire, and just how you feel that it has been so close to the school.
Well, very scared, especially for our school. I said to Zetty last night, God will protect our school, because where are all our little angels going to go to? You know, they need protection. But overall scared. I wasn't here at the school, but I was on the phone with Zetty all the time, and with the parents, always phoning, and everybody was messaging, can they do anything? The community was great. Everybody came together and helping, but we are still scared. We've got flare-ups now at this stage, and it can turn quickly, and we are not safe yet.
Zetty, just from your side, it's such an important school that you guys have, and it being danger, it must be quite nerve-wracking.
Ja, dit is maar senitergend. Ons is daarom gelukkig dat ons op tans nog meestal ongedeerd. So ek dink dit is maar 'n groter hand wat ons skooltjie en ons kinders beskerm.
The fire crews are still on standby here. We've seen some helicopters dousing the flames. Firefighting efforts continue.